Hello everybody. My name is Ashish Mohan, and this is my submission for the uh, role of Founders Office intern. So this is me. This is the contact sync master for EDXSO, which basically just solves a common problem. Whereas that is when we have to like manually sync contacts between the spreadsheets as well as the Google contacts. So what my system does is it basically automates this whole problem completely with real-time bidirectional sync. So let me show you a demo. Like for example, this is our code. We have it's quite a long code, almost 600 lines of code. This is all written in JavaScript, as we all know. For first starters, we'll initialize the project, and as you can see, it has been initialized. Uh, After that, we'll just go to sheet. Sorry, not triggers. We'll initialize sheet, and once that is done, we'll move on to our sheet. Now initially when I had created the sheet, there were only like 7 contacts, but then later on, as I was developing this entire project, I had like various iterations of contacts that were added. So these are just some of that. In most of all of them are just for testing purposes. So for this submission, I'll just add a dummy name. Suppose we add dummy name with a mobile number of random number. I've given the threshold for the phone number to be greater than 7 and less than 12, including the country code. And this is going to be name EDXSO.com. And yeah, this is going to save now. I'm going to save, and we're going to move over to contacts. We'll just reload for good luck. And as we can see, we have this here, but one of the things that we can do is merge, because there are other contacts being created with the same like basically what happens is it creates 2 contacts, one for work and one for personal use. All we need to do is just merge them together, and we will have a single contact in that particular name. Similarly, now this was the demonstration of adding sheets to contacts. So basically the system automatically just creates the contact in Google Contacts. It generates a unique ID. As we can see over here, as we can see, contact ID is automatically generated, and uh, yeah, then it just stores the people API reference. So as we can see, the dummy name that we added in the sheet is visible over here in the contact Google Contacts, along with all the information, email ID as well as the mobile number that we added, and these are just the system assigned identification numbers. Now moving on to the next part of the presentation, that is creating a new contact, and it will show up here in the sheets, in our sheet. So let's do that. Now suppose we'll add dummy one with name one, company EDXSO, job title let's give it director, and dummy one, name one at edxso.com. Right, phone number, let's provide a dummy phone number 16. That's 10 digits, and is saved. Yeah, now we go back to contacts. Here we'll click on manual sync and we'll run again. run the entire script again, and the contact will be created. Now the thing is, when I wrote the code, I had integrated an auto sync as well as a manual sync. The auto sync, it triggers every 30 minutes. So suppose we're adding contacts, right? We're continuously just going on adding contacts. It will sync automatically every 30 minutes. If you want it to be done instantly, we can either reduce that amount of time, or we can just run a manual sync. And here we ran a manual sync, and all the contacts have been created. And if we check here, you can see that it is being produced, dummy one, name one, right here, along with all the details that we posted, right? And these are all the ones that I made earlier, created earlier. So when we're doing this for auto trigger, auto sync, there are like 4 automatic triggers that I've added in the form of edit, forms, timed, and manual. Right now what we did was manual. And yeah, so basically this all of this works within the Google workspace, which is just secure and private. This transforms how teams manage contacts, eliminating manual errors and saving hours of work. So that's it. Thank you so much.